Power problems destroy appliances every day, and most people don't even know why. Today, we're comparing two very important devices, the voltage protector and the circuit breaker. By the end of this video, you'll know what each one does, their differences, and which one you actually need. Let's start with the circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is designed to protect your wiring and appliances from overcurrent and short circuits. When too much current flows, maybe because of a faulty appliance or wiring, the breaker trips and cuts off power immediately. Circuit breakers are excellent for preventing fire and cable damage, but here's the catch. They do not protect against high voltage or low voltage. Now let's talk about the voltage protector, also called a voltage regulator or surge protector. This device monitors your power supply in real time. If the voltage goes too high or too low, it disconnects power automatically. Once the voltage becomes stable again, it waits for a set delay time and then safely restores power. This is why voltage protectors are perfect for TVs, refrigerators, air conditioners, and sensitive electronics. Here's the major difference. A circuit breaker reacts to current problems. A voltage protector reacts to voltage problems. Circuit breakers protect your cables and prevent fire. Voltage protectors protect your appliances from damage caused by unstable power. If there's a short circuit or overload, the circuit breaker trips. If the voltage suddenly rises or drops, the voltage protector cuts off power. One handles current, the other handles voltage. Here's the truth. This is not an either-or situation. The best protection is using both. Use a circuit breaker to protect your wiring and prevent electrical fire. Then use a voltage protector to guard your appliances against unstable power. For homes, shops, offices, and especially in areas with unstable electricity, I strongly recommend combining a circuit breaker with a voltage protector. This gives you full protection, current protection, and voltage protection. If you can only afford one right now, start with a circuit breaker for safety. But if you truly care about your appliances, add a voltage protector as soon as possible. Electricity is powerful and mistakes are expensive. Protect your cables, protect your appliances, and protect your money. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more electrical tips.